We learn from an early age that things are related to each other. For every action, there is a reaction. For every mistake, there is something to learn. And this knowledge, learned and improved over generations, is what defines who we are and what we do today. The future rests on the shoulders of this cycle. In swine and poultry production, it is no different. We can see the same pattern in each detail of everything we do. It's this cycle that needs to be fed every day. At Farmabase, we aim to build and nurture an environment in which technology, health, and welfare work together to improve animal performance. That's Farmabase mission. Science is our inspiration and guide us in our search for better ways to care for poultry and swine. Our commitment is not to products. Our commitment is to assure you, as leader in animal production, that you may continue your journey to feed the world. You, through the health and welfare of animals, make sustainability a reality. Converting the already rare resources of the environment into healthy and affordable food. Small actions supported by decades of scientific development affect the lives of consumers all over the world and create the foundation of a more sustainable future. For Farmabase, the future begins every day. Wherever there is health, well-being, and performance, we will be there. Farmabase, committed to animal health.